Hi, my name is Heather Kelly. I'm a dental hygienist with TePe Oral Hygiene Products. I'm here to introduce you to the TePe products and how to use them. The TePe Denture Care Brush is designed with extra long, strong bristles to ensure good accessibility and efficient cleaning without causing any damage to the removable denture. The neck of the brush can be bent backwards in hot water for improved grip and accessibility. It is first recommended to rinse any large debris off of your prosthesis with water. Securely hold your prosthesis in one hand and use the Denture Care brush to systematically brush all surfaces. Rinse your prosthesis again after brushing and let the Denture Care brush air dry. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our products. Please visit our website for more information.